Good morning guys, this is Katie and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. So today I'm actually going wreath making with a friend from work. Really excited. I did this last year and it was so much fun, so I'm looking forward to making another wreath this year. Hopefully I'm a bit better. I won't be, but let's hope. Anyway, first things first however, I'm at school obviously and it is a very busy day. So let's start. So one of the things we are doing today is making smoothies. Our survival topic this term is about how they would survive in the jungle, and smoothies is just part of that. It's like looking about healthy eating and stuff. So gonna get the room ready. The children have designed their own smoothies and they're having like a little competition today of who can make the best smoothie. So perfect, that's it. So mind your fingers. Then hold it together, then you can twist it that way, that's it.
Oh my god.
Oh, super chef over here.
Skittles are like seashells. You have to like dig up things. So this is kind of like the phone when you dig up the ground, so it fully here is normal.
Oh, I see. So this is purposely done?
Yes.
I see, yeah. Right, so it's now 1:30. Yeah, 1:30. I've had a very busy day, guys, I'll be honest. We were making smoothies, we had an English lesson, we had our library time, which was lovely, we had maths, and now the children actually have a rehearsal. So my arm is aching, that's how long the day has been. So my kids have got a singing rehearsal they're doing like a sing-along this year, so that should be nice. So they have that rehearsal now, so I've got a bit of time to unwind, take a moment to breathe, and I do need to proofread reports because it is nearly the end of term. So that is my plan for this afternoon. But also, once I have the time, I thought I would talk to you a little bit about this wreath making. So today the wreath making is from 6:30 till 9:30, and basically it's like this company called Graze and Blossom, and they are a company here in Bangkok. They're run by like two, I think they're both British girls or women, and they run these wreath making workshops every year. They have like other workshops throughout the year. They do like really cute hampers. They work with other local companies to like make these little hampers together. It's really, really nice actually. Like they've a really nice evening event to do. So I'm really looking forward to it. I really enjoyed it last year. So looking forward to that. And I will leave the link in the description below for the wreath making, but they only tend to do them at the start of December, and they kind of do sell out quite quickly. So if you're watching this but you've missed it, then next year check back because it's a really lovely event. But yeah, I enjoy it. Anyway, we get on with some work. Right guys, I have gone home, showered, had a quick dinner, got changed. It's now just past 7. Well, no, it's not, it's just past 6. Ordered a taxi like half an hour ago, still not here. But eventually we'll be on our way to get to wreath making. Traffic in Bangkok is so bad at the moment. Anyway, that's a whole different story. I'm gonna stop moaning. I shall show you what happened when we get there. Oh my goodness, guys, this is great. The light on my watch is helping. Right, had such a lovely evening. That was so nice. Really enjoyed that. Got a wonderful wreath. Very happy with that. I'm going to pop it in the middle of my table when I get home, but I'm knackered, so I'm going to go home, go to bed, and I shall see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.